Model, 2008 Ford Transit 85 T280s Fwd, genuine low mileage, very long MOT, ready to work. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 98,095. MOT, the 30th of November 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.